Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to cover something a little bit different. I want to give you one helpful tip of how to find your perfect BMW. And what I mean by that is there are no two BMWs exactly alike. Most of those cars are made to order, specifically for the individual who orders it. BMW only stocks a few of these cars, well, nothing a lot. And what happens is, this is for a new person, new customer coming in to buy this car. They see the car they want. The dealer tells them, okay, let's go ahead and sit down, fill out a build sheet, and you order it. And you can only order, basically, the individual can pick any color he wants, any interior trim he wants, any option packages, and they can order a la carte options. There's different mix and matches, different combinations they can do, which makes these cars where there are no two BMWs exactly alike. So good for the new customer ordering, and sometimes somewhat challenging for someone on a used car like myself, who am searching for that perfect car, and I may not be able to find it because it could exist or it may not exist, because what I have in mind, what I like, maybe only like a small percentage of people like. So I can save. I'm gonna offer this tip, and this just to give someone a helpful hint, because this has helped me tremendously on my search. And what I find is dealers, when they list these cars on the resale market, they don't put all the options in them. They don't list everything the car has. So if I'm looking specifically for this color interior trim or this particular option, it might not be listed in the description. It might be checked off in the description. And using the search engines like cars.com, autotrader.com, and you start to narrow down your searches by clicking those options, you can find yourself either omitting cars that could have had those options. Now they might not even been there because you checked them off. So I find just leaving the search open, scrolling through the cars, trying to find the color I like. If I see the color that I like, I'll click on the pictures, look at a few pictures, and see, okay, if this has the right options or not. But this helpful hint, there's actual BMW VIN decoder. All right, so I'm gonna go through here on my phone. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm going through on this 2016 X5. X5 X-Drive 50i, for example, because I'm looking for one for a while, and I've been wanting for one with the M Sport package. So I'm gonna look through the pictures, and it looks like X5 got the M Sport. Looks like everything here. And for the X5, I would prefer to have a third row seat, but I'm gonna look through the pictures and see if there's a third row. Has the sound system I want. Bang & Olufsen. Let's see it. It has wood trim. Not a big fan of the wood trim, but it seems that most when you get into these luxury cars, it seems to have wood as their trim. And I'm going through the photos. I don't see a third row picture. And I went through the pictures here, went through all the pictures. They didn't take a picture of the back hatch at all. Sometimes you can look at it and see the third row. I'm gonna look at it and see if you have features. Sometimes dealers list things, sometimes they don't. I mean, these are all generic things. Sometimes they just don't show up. I can read the description, and I'm gonna scroll through here and just kind of see if they list it. And I'm looking at it here. There's M Sport, executive package, lighting package. I mean, they put this all on the top in capital to catch your attention, because these could be the main packages. But for me, I'm looking more specifically at the Bang & Olufsen sound system. I want in the third row seat. And I don't see either one of this listed. You guys can look this up with me, but I don't see the third row seat. Oh, there's Bang & Olufsen, but there's no third row listed here. However, I can go in here, I can copy the VIN number, and like I said, if you go to a Google search, type in BMW VIN decoder, you can pull up, there's multiple decoder engines here that will basically break down and give you the build sheet of the car. So I'm gonna go in here to the top one, asks for the last 7 digits of the VIN number. I want to paste it, and I'm going to delete the part that I don't need. Submit. And wait for this to load up on the site. And look at this, it gives me a whole breakdown of this X5, and it confirms with me it's the X-Drive 50i. It tells me the production date, the date it went to production, which was the end of 2015. This is a 2016 model, so it was an early 16 build. It tells me the left-hand drive, tells me the engine code, the N63T. Tells me the color and the interior color. So it all works too if you don't have all the facts. If you don't have, say for example, if the dealer said, hey, we have this car, the pictures will be coming soon. If you hit the VIN number, you know exactly the color, the exterior color, and the interior color. And now you can know the options. So it has M Sport package, M leather steering wheel, M aerodynamic package. And we knew that from the pictures, but I'm looking at the options here. If you scroll through, and you see here, third row seat. It didn't have it in the pictures. It didn't have it in the description. If I just tried to narrow my search down by third row seat only, I would have never known. It wouldn't even populate it. So, I think this is a very handy tool when you're searching for a car like this. I don't know if there's anything out there for Porsches, because Porsches are another car that can be very difficult trying to find in the used market. But for BMWs, this can be a very handy tool, because you know exactly it tells me what every single option this car came with or was originally purchased with. So I know, even down to the wheels, I know if anything was swapped out, I know what to expect with this car. Obviously, you get to do your own due diligence by seeing the car in person or having a PPI done, which is a private party inspection. You can, but at least know by this to save yourself some time and not being disappointed by saying, for example, if you really wanted a car that had the LED lighting headlights and it came with, HIDs or halogens, you wouldn't be disappointed because you know that right away it has it. But that's just a quick tip. Obviously, this works for multiple ones. I can show a couple different BMWs here just before I conclude this video. But let's search BMW. Let's see, M3. And we'll just do 2016. And we'll see here what options this car has. So I would like a M3, and I would like the LED headlights. And I know right away that this car doesn't, because I look at them so far. But like you could tell, like it has a projector, not the LED. But I just look at these cars so much that I can tell which option. So I'm gonna take this VIN number and copy it and take it back into this decoder. I am not a robot. I'm definitely human. And it tells me the production date, tells me it's F80 series, left-hand drive, engine code S55, tells me the exterior color, and we know, here we are, and these are just ads. I'm sure it helps pay for this, keep this going, these little advertisements here. Navigation, Harman Kardon, sound system, and nothing listed that says it has a xenon light, but it doesn't say LED light.
But these are the options that this car has. But you can see here, very handy tool. But I want to conclude this video. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe for more. I'm going to definitely do more videos. Actually enjoying it. I started off just kind of testing the waters out, but I'm kind of getting enjoyment for doing these little helpful videos. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.